Josh?
California has 737 death row inmates. That's the largest in the country. Today, Governor Gavin Newsom signed an executive order placing a hold on their executions. That order prompting Kern County District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer to respond.
Today, Governor Newsom announced that he will not enforce California's constitutionally mandated death penalty in any case.
That was Kern County District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer earlier today responding to Governor Gavin Newsom signing an executive order granting the reprieve to more than 700 death row inmates in California, the largest death row population in the country.
I cannot sign off on executing hundreds and hundreds of human beings, knowing that among them will be innocent human beings.
According to Newsom, in 4 decades, 5 California inmates sentenced to death later had their sentences overturned. The governor calling the death penalty, quote, an abject failure, discriminating based on the color of skin and financial income, adding that more than 6 in 10 Californian inmates are of minority status, which his office cites as proof of racial discrepancy. His executive order capturing the attention of President Donald Trump, tweeting that the governor is defying voters and the friends and families of the always forgotten victims are not thrilled, and neither is he. The president's sentiments shared by DA Zimmer.
The governor's action today is an insult to families and friends of victims who were viciously murdered at the hands of these inmates.
According to the district attorney's office, there are currently 550 inmates serving a sentence for murder in Kern County. And of those 550, only 25 are on death row.
That is less than 5% of Kern County's murderers. The ultimate penalty truly is reserved only for the very worst killers.
One of those is Vincent Brothers, sentenced to death in 2007 for murdering his wife, 3 children, and mother-in-law. Zimmer says Newsom's decision is also an insult against California voters, who just 2 years ago voted to retain the death penalty. However, the state hasn't executed anyone since 2006, when then Republican Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger was in office. Now, death row advocates are certain to challenge the governor's decision in court. His office releasing this statement. His power, the governor's power to grant reprieves, is written into the state constitution, and that he will not alter any convictions or allow any condemned inmate a chance at an early release. In downtown Bakersfield, Josh Sanders, 23, ABC News.